Hello. Thank you for joining our channel. In a modern finance department, managing hundreds or thousands of vendor invoices manually can be tedious and error-prone. That's where invoice automation with OCR, optical character recognition, steps in, transforming the account's payable process into a seamless, streamlined workflow, especially when integrated with a powerful ERP like Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. The process typically begins the moment an invoice is received. These invoices might come in as PDFs, scanned paper documents, or as email attachments. Instead of manually typing in the details, an OCR solution, like Microsoft AI Builder, ReadSoft, or another third-party tool, is used to scan and read the document. The system intelligently extracts key information, such as the invoice number, vendor name, invoice date, amounts, and even detailed line items like item descriptions and quantities. Once the OCR engine has captured the necessary data, it performs a validation check. This step ensures that everything on the invoice aligns with what's in D365 F&O. It checks the invoice against existing purchase orders, vendor records, and receipt information to detect mismatches or missing details. If something doesn't add up, say, the total amount on the invoice doesn't match the purchase order, it flags it for review. Assuming everything checks out, the invoice data is automatically imported into D365 F&O using available data entities or APIs. At this point, a vendor invoice record is created in the system without anyone needing to manually enter the information. From here, D365 F&O's built-in workflow engine takes over. The invoice is routed to the appropriate person or team for approval, based on predefined rules, such as invoice amount, department, or project code. Approvers can review, comment, or escalate the invoice as needed, all within the system. Once approved, the invoice is posted, updating both the general ledger and the vendor's account. Based on the agreed payment terms, the system then schedules and processes the payment through a payment journal. Throughout the process, every step is tracked and logged. Finance teams can easily monitor invoice status, identify bottlenecks, and generate reports to stay on top of their payables. Plus, with everything digitized, audits become far less painful. This entire journey, from receiving an invoice to paying it, can be completed in a fraction of the time it used to take. By combining OCR with D365 F&O, organizations can reduce manual work, increase accuracy, and ensure their finance operations run like clockwork. In our next video, I will show you an example of how you can upload an invoice into D365 using an OCR software. Thank you.